Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Stack Overflow, ask and answer questions step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or phone. Type stackoverflow.com in the address bar and press enter. Wait for the Stack Overflow homepage to fully load. Look at the top right corner of the page for the login button. Click login to open the sign-in options. Choose your preferred method such as Google, GitHub, or email. If you select Google, click Continue with Google and pick your Google account. If you select GitHub, click Continue with GitHub and enter your GitHub credentials if asked. If you select email, type your email address and follow the on-screen instructions. Complete any verification steps like a code sent to your email if required. After signing in, confirm you can see your profile icon in the top right area. Click your profile icon to open your account menu. Select Profile to view and edit your public profile information. Add a clear display name and a short bio to help others understand your background. Go back to the home page by clicking the Stack Overflow logo. Use the search bar to check if your question has already been answered. Type keywords related to your problem and press enter to see results. Open the most relevant result and read the accepted answer and top replies. If you still need help, click the Ask Question button near the top of the page. Write a specific title that describes the exact issue you are facing. Describe your problem clearly, including what you expected and what actually happened. Add code blocks or error messages using the formatting tools so the post is easy to read. Select relevant tags, like Python, JavaScript, or Sharp, to reach the right experts. Review your question for clarity and remove any private or sensitive information. Click Post your question to publish it to the community. To answer a question, open a post you understand and click Answer. Write a helpful, respectful answer with steps, explanations, and working code when possible. Click Post your answer and then upvote useful content and accept helpful answers on your own questions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.